My name is Armando Payumo. I'm from BTBTA 4C, Major in Mechanical Technology. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a lifting table and teach you how to properly use different tools in making this project. First things first, safety first. Now, we need to prepare all the materials and tools that we're going to use. Speed square, also called a Raptor square or triangle square, is a multi-purpose triangle tool used for marking out. It is used to make a basic measurement and mark lines on the working surface as a guide for a short, 45 and 90-degree angle. The term speed square was introduced by Swatson Tool Company. See on the image is the two type of measurement. One is imperial and the other one is in metric. Imperial system read as in inches and feet. Metric system read as millimeter and centimeter. An angle grinder is a power tool that can be used for cutting through different types of materials, including metals and other solid materials such as bricks, aluminum, stone, and concrete. This type of handheld power tools does not have a cutting blade but a grinding wheel. You can sand and polish different surfaces to sharpen the grinding materials. Remember, safety is a must while using any power motor. Their blades can have a sharp edge. Using power tools requires taking some precaution because slips and falls may lead to a dangerous accident. While used for cutting, the grinding dust must be toward to your position or location. Do not put extra force to cut faster. Let the grinding weight serve as the working pressure towards the cutting materials. A C-clamp is a type of clamping device that is used to hold a wood or metal workpiece. Usually in carpentry or welding, it is a popular belief that the C-clamps are named after the resemblance between the look of a clamp and the letter C. A center punch is used to mark the center of a point. It is usually used to mark the center of a hole when drilling holes. A center punch forms a large enough dimple to guide the tip of the drill. We need to move everything from there to here because it's raining. it is a good practice to keep your working area clean. Jigsaw are best used for cutting shapes and curves in woods with its narrow blade, which is attached to the tool's body by a spring-loaded clamp at the front. The blade sharp teeth are measured in TPI, or teeth per inch. The higher the TPI gives, the smoother cuts that require less sanding. Mapulang hapon. Well, that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something on my video and see you next time.